Are you wondering how to create local service pages that rank high on Google for your target keyword and target location, like I did for my client here in this example? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a few ways that you can leverage ChatGPT to write local service pages that rank high on Google. So be sure to stick around for the entire video. And if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. My name is Ryan, and my mission is to help you navigate the overwhelming world of artificial intelligence. And if you want to know my favorite AI tools and prompts that I use for marketing and content creation, be sure to get my free AI Marketing Essentials Guide. You can find the link for this in the video description or pinned comment below. Now, when it comes to local service pages, these are very important to have on your website if you're a small business trying to rank for keywords locally. So, for example, for one of my clients, we're ranking locally in Washington, D.C. We're ranking one for Kansas City for our target keyword. We're ranking one for Omaha for our target keyword, and dozens of other cities throughout the United States that they provide services for. And I'm going to show you a few ways to create these local service pages that actually rank high on Google and are high quality. Now, the first way you can do this inside ChatGPT, and by the way, you can use Claude for this, Grok 3, you can use other LLMs for this example, but what you can do is you can use a really long and advanced prompt. And by the way, I'm getting this from my AI Marketing Essentials Guide that I mentioned at the beginning of this video. You can get this free guide in the video description or pinned comment below. And this has all of my favorite AI tools and prompts, including the one that I'm about to show you in this example. So once you copy and paste this prompt from my AI Marketing Guide, and by the way, I have placeholders here where you put in your industry, your target keyword, your target location. So once you fill out the details, what you would do is come into ChatGPT, simply copy and paste that prompt with your company's details, and it will start writing a local service page that's optimized. Now, in this example, I said I'm a plumbing company in Des Moines, Iowa. So I want you to write a blog post or a local service page that targets both plumbing near me or plumbing in Des Moines as target keywords, but also the location as Des Moines, Iowa. And so here what it's doing is it's going after the target keyword in the H1. Here it has all the different plumbing services: commercial plumbing, residential plumbing, local experts serving Des Moines and surrounding areas. So it's listing out some of the suburbs in Des Moines as well. I didn't tell it to do that. Just based on that prompt, that's why it's doing it, right? Very effective when you're trying to rank for local keywords. Why choose us for your plumbing needs, right? And a call to action at the end. Now, is this going to be perfect where you can just come in here, copy and paste, put on your website, and you're going to rank one overnight? No, regardless of what all the SEO gurus on YouTube will tell you, that is not the case. You're going to have to add internal links, probably some images in here, some external links, kind of fine tune this content up, add some information about your company, right, et cetera, et cetera. But again, this is just a really quick way to get started with local service pages if you have absolutely nothing on your website to begin with. Now, a better way to do this, in my opinion, is to create your own custom GPT for whatever your business or brand is. You'll see I've created one here for my client. Now, you must be a member of ChatGPT Plus in order to build custom GPTs that cost $20 a month. And I do have a separate tutorial you can find in the description below if you have no idea how to do this. But after I built this custom GPT, I uploaded writing samples. I gave it certain instructions on how this company sounds with its writing style, its tone, etc., etc. And one of the conversation starters that I added here was create an SEO optimized local service page when I provide a target keyword and location. So in this example, my target keyword is dental IT support. My target location is Kansas City, Missouri. And the quality of this local service page is much better than what I showed you in the first example. This sounds a lot more like this brand's writing style if you go to their website and compare it. And then they also have internal links. So I trained it on the instructions of this custom GPT. I uploaded what's called an XML sitemap, so that way I can internally link relevant pages on my website, which does help SEO versus just going straight to ChatGPT and saying, write me a local service page as a call to action at the end here. So this is a better way to do it, is by using your own custom GPT versus just relying on regular ChatGPT without custom instructions. Now, I'm going to assume some of you watching haven't created your own custom GPTs for your brand or small business, and that's okay. I have another custom GPT that I made called Local SEO Service Pages that you can use for free, and you can find this in my free AI Marketing Essentials Guide. Again, that's in the description or pinned comment below, where I list this one and all of my favorite custom GPTs that you can get right here for free. Now, once you get access to this, all you need to do is click the conversation starter saying generate a local service page based on my keyword, location, and business information that I provide. So in this example, my keyword is mobile tire shop, my location is Des Moines, Iowa, and for business information, this is very important that you give it as much detail as possible to get the best response. So I'm saying my business is called Tire Heroes, and I'm a mobile tire shop in Des Moines, Iowa, providing tire installation and repair services. So here it's going to start generating the local service page, and I'm going to skip ahead and wait till this is complete. All right, so here's the local service page that this custom GPT generated, and not bad. As I'm looking through this for the first time, it has a lot of good information here about suburbs, so it knows what I'm talking about. Has a call to action here. It has placeholders for inserting your phone number, gives me a meta title, a meta description. Now, one other thing that I forgot to mention to make this even better, what you could do is go to your website, and if you have an about page, this makes this much easier. You can copy and paste all of the information on your about page, or if you have a lot of images and it's hard to do that, you can save this as a PDF, come back to ChatGPT and upload the PDF. So for example, I'm going to come back and say, here's more information about my company. And then I'm going to paste that information from the about page. And so then it's going to take that information and make a new draft or a new local service page based on the about page that I gave it from my website. All right. And so what was cool about this is it updated the blog post or local service page in real time, and it even added my phone number right there. I just pasted the about page, copy and pasted it, and it just replaced that placeholder with my actual phone number. So that's a good strategy on what you should do to generate local service pages. And again, to wrap this up, you can use several methods to generate local service pages. This one being creating your own custom GPT for your brand or small business. You can use my custom GPT that I just showed you, or you can copy and paste this long prompt for generating local SEO service pages. My recommendation is to use a custom GPT. Preferably if you built your own with your brand's information and writing examples, but in the meantime, you can use this one that I built called Local SEO Service Pages. So if you've made it this far into the video, I truly appreciate you. I hope this video was valuable to you. And if you found value, let me know in the comment section below. Also be sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, but most importantly, I hope you all have a great day.